Hi, I am Sumit from TeQ Mavens. Today I'm going to talk about how challenging it can be to deal with office stress. Although there are many strategies that can be used to manage or reduce your office stress. Few of them are: first of all, take breaks. You should take short breaks to give your mind some relaxation from office work. Going out for a cup of coffee or a tea, taking small walks, stepping outside the office for fresh air. Secondly, communication. Talking and discussing the problems which are bothering you to someone can help you make feel less isolated. The person can be a friend, family, or your colleague. Furthermore, set boundaries. You should maintain boundaries between your work and personal life and make sure that you are getting sufficient rest and time for yourself. Moreover, learn to say no if you are preoccupied with work. Last but not the least, seek help if needed. If you are feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Speak to your manager, HR, or a mental health professional for support. Thank you. Follow us for more.